Hello and welcome to Zimstate Media. The Zimbabwean prophet Eubert has explained that what many men truly look for is peace, feeling respected, understood, and emotionally safe. He says that beauty may attract a man, but peace is what makes him stay.
No real men will leave you for a prettier woman. And I'm speaking for 90% of men, because the other 10% I know they are rejects. Every man is looking for peace, and whosoever can give them peace is where they go. I did not hear any amen from any of my granddaughters. Whenever the house becomes a battlefront, a man will find even the ugliest woman and find solace and peace in her arms. There is no real man who leaves a woman for another prettier woman. They live for peace. I can't be asked every day, do you love me? I came back home. That's love, baby. Do you think of me when you are at work? Did I pay the rent? Do you still find me attractive? Did I pay the groceries? When you were sleeping, baby, someone called Sarah. Who is Sarah? Are you the police?
For more stories, please do like and subscribe.